Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mom's Taste. Well, today I'm here with you with an exciting recipe that is Goan peas pulao or Goan Arroz. Well, no Sundays, weddings, feast or other occasions in Goa are complete without Goan pulao. In this recipe, I would like to share with you all the tips and techniques that I follow in order to get to that perfect pulao. So watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any of my recipes. So let's start with the ingredients. We will need 4 cups of Basmati rice. I have washed it 2 to 3 times and soaked in hot water for about 30 minutes. The more you keep rice in water, the more they will grow. 2 large onions chopped, 2 large tomatoes chopped, 4 bay leaves, 5 whole cardamom, 1.5 inch cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, this is optional, 1 Maggi cube, this is also optional. In this recipe, I'll be using chicken broth. If you are using broth, then no need to add Maggi cubes. If you are not using broth, then use about 8 Maggi cubes. That is, for 1 cup of rice, we use 2 Maggi cubes. 1 cup of green peas, you can use any vegetables of your choice. 1 tablespoon of butter or ghee, 8 tablespoons of oil, salt to taste, 7 3/4 cups of chicken kald, broth or the stock. To make broth, you can use chicken curry pieces or even beef bones. Generally, for 1 cup of rice, we use 2 cups of water, but always use 1/4 cup less water. That's how your rice doesn't remain sticky. Now let's begin with preparing the chicken caldo or the broth. Take a kadai and add chicken pieces. I applied some salt to the chicken. Add 1 small chopped onion, 1 small chopped carrot, 5 to 6 crushed peppercorns, and 2.5 liters of water. On slow flame, boil this for about 50 minutes to get about 2 liters of caldo or the broth. Skim out the scum that floats to the surface. Strain and set it aside for later use. Now in a pot, add butter or the ghee. Once the butter melts, add oil. Now add the other spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon and bay leaves. Now add the onions and saute till they are translucent. Now add tomatoes and saute till they are soft and mushy. Now add 7 3/4 cups of kald or the chicken broth. At this stage, you can add Maggi cubes. Add salt to taste. Add the green peas, turmeric powder. This is optional. You can avoid if you don't want to add. Let the water boil. Once the water comes to boil, add soaked rice. Stir the rice and cook on medium flame until all the water from the rice is evaporated. Once you see the green peas are on the surface of the pulao, open the pot and gently stir it in a folding motion. Don't overstir the pulao. Again cover and cook on low heat for about 3 minutes. Once all the water has been evaporated, turn off the flame. Your Goan Arroz or the peas pulao is ready. Enjoy it with a gravy of your choice. Thanks for watching.